City Farm.
Are you ready for the skeleton dance?
Click, clack to the beat. Click, clack, let's move our feet. 1, 2, 3, boom! Shake to the left, shake to the right. Swing, swing, side to side. Wobble your knees. Everybody freeze!
Freeze!
Let's do the skeleton dance. Lellobee. Click, clack to the beat. Click, clack, let's move our feet. 1, 2, 3, boom! Shake to the left, shake to the right. Swing, swing, side to side. Wobble your knees. Everybody freeze!
Freeze!
Let's do the skeleton dance. Lellobee. Now play your bones like a xylophone. Now wiggle, wiggle, wiggle while the full moon glows. Now jump real high and crouch real low. Now one more time. Let's play those bones. Shake to the left, shake to the right. Swing, swing, side to side. Wobble your knees. Everybody freeze!
Freeze!
Let's do the skeleton dance on Lellobee City Farm, where spooky things grow.
Hi, Bee. Do you know your ABCs? Well, you can learn it with me. It goes like this.
ABC, dance with me. Everybody dance, dance, dance. A, B, C, D, E is for Ella. Ella, Ella, Ella loves to dance. A, B, C, D, and E. Ella, Ella loves to dance. F, G is for Grandma. H is for Heidi. I, J is for jump, jump, jump. F, G, H, I, and J. Grandma and Heidi love to jump. A, B, C, dance with me. Everybody dance, dance, dance. K, L is for Letty and N-O-P play. Letty the lamb loves to play all day. K, L, M, N-O-P. Letty loves to play, play, play. Q, R, S, and T for turn. Turn to the left, turn to the right. Q, R, S, T. Everybody's turning tonight. U, V, W, X, Y, Z is for zigzag. Everybody zig.